Your dermatologist has likely never mentioned this exact combination, but two ancient remedies, one a pungent bark seed oil and the other a sacred tree resin, form a biochemical synergy so powerful it rivals expensive prescription treatments for cellular repair, deep wrinkles, and stubborn hyperpigmentation. Separately, they are impressive, but when combined in a specific ratio, they unlock a biological pathway that accelerates skin healing at a level most high-end skincare brands hope you never discover. If you have been spending hundreds of dollars on vitamin C serums, chemical peels, and advanced anti-aging creams, only to see minimal results, what I am about to share will fundamentally shift how you treat your skin. In this video, we are bypassing the vague marketing claims. I'm going to show you exactly how black seed oil and frankincense interact at the cellular level, the precise clinical ratios you need to mix them safely, and the dangerous application mistakes that can trigger severe skin irritation if you do it wrong. To understand why this combination is so effective, we have to look at what happens beneath the surface of your skin. Most commercial skincare products isolate a single active ingredient, which often overburdens a single cellular pathway. However, nature specializes in molecular synergy, delivering complex networks of compounds that work in harmony with your body's natural biorhythms. Let's look closely at the power of black seed oil, known scientifically as Nigella sativa. This oil has been used for thousands of years, even found in the tombs of ancient pharaohs, but modern science is finally catching up to its true brilliance. Black seed oil contains a highly bioactive crystalline compound called thymoquinone. Research published in the peer-reviewed journal Phytotherapy Research demonstrates that thymoquinone is a potent inhibitor of oxidative stress, neutralizing the volatile free radicals that break down your subcutaneous collagen matrix. Furthermore, rigorous clinical studies reveal it possesses powerful antimicrobial properties that directly target Cutibacterium acnes, making it incredibly effective for clearing up stubborn adult breakouts without stripping the skin's delicate moisture barrier. When you apply it, you're not just moisturizing, you're deploying a protective shield.
Now, let's look at the power of frankincense essential oil, which is packed with alpha-pinene, limonene, and active boswellic compounds. Documented extensively in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, frankincense acts as a natural tissue remodeler. It stimulates the proliferation of fibroblasts, which are the very cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin in the deeper dermal layers. Beyond structural support, it works directly on your melanocytes to downregulate the overproduction of pigment, which is the absolute root cause of age spots, sun damage, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. But here is where the true magic happens: the synergy mechanism. When the thymoquinone from black seed oil meets the naturally occurring terpenes in frankincense, they create an incredibly sophisticated, enhanced delivery system. Black seed oil acts as a dense, fatty acid-rich vehicle. Because its molecular structure matches our skin's natural sebum, it allows the volatile, micro-sized molecules of frankincense to penetrate deeply into the dermis layer, rather than simply evaporating off the surface of your skin. They lock together, dragging the healing nutrients deep down where real cellular regeneration takes place. This combination targets two main concerns that plague almost everyone as they age: wrinkles and dark spots.
First, let's address deep wrinkles and the loss of skin elasticity. As we cross the age of 40, our skin cell turnover slows down dramatically, and the critical subcutaneous fat pads in the face begin to diminish. This leads directly to sagging, loss of definition, and the formation of static lines. Frankincense oil acts as a potent natural astringent. It protects existing skin cells and promotes greater intercellular density. When it is paired with the omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids found natively in premium cold-pressed black seed oil, it instantly plumps the intercellular lipids. This fills out fine lines mechanically on the surface, while the active compounds work over a continuous 30-day cycle to stimulate new collagen structure biologically from within. Second, let's look at hyperpigmentation, melasma, and stubborn age spots. Most commercial dark spot correctors rely on aggressive acids that peel away layers of the skin, which actually leaves you highly sensitive to the sun and often causes more damage in the long run. Frankincense and black seed oil take a completely different, therapeutic approach. This combination actively suppresses the inflammatory cytokines that signal your skin to produce excess melanin after sun exposure or injury. Clinical trials evaluating boswellia extracts show a statistically significant reduction in tissue roughness and uneven pigmentation when applied consistently over a 6-week period. You are effectively retraining your skin to stop overproducing pigment. If this is the first time you are learning about the actual molecular science behind these ancient oils, instead of just hearing vague marketing hype, please take a moment to hit the like button. It helps this evidence-based information bypass the mainstream algorithm and reach more adults who are genuinely tired of wasting money on ineffective skincare trends. And make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a deep dive health and wellness breakdown.
Now, let's get into the exact mechanics of how to blend these ingredients safely. In your own home, do not copy this step incorrectly or try to eyeball the measurements. Frankincense is a highly concentrated volatile essential oil. Applying it directly to the face undiluted can cause chemical burns, severe contact dermatitis, or permanent skin sensitivity. Black seed oil is your carrier oil, but because it is highly potent in its own right, we must balance it appropriately based on your specific skin type. If you have dry or mature skin that needs maximum nourishment, your recipe is as follows. Take exactly 1 tablespoon of pure black seed oil to serve as your carrier. To do this, add exactly 2 drops of pure frankincense essential oil. Stir the mixture gently with a clean glass or wood implement and use the blend completely pure without any secondary carrier oils, allowing the dense lipids to deeply hydrate your skin throughout the night. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and are worried about clogged pores, your recipe requires a slight modification to lighten the molecular weight. Take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil and add exactly 1 drop of frankincense essential oil. To balance out the richness, mix in 1 teaspoon of pure jojoba oil. Jojoba oil mimics your skin's natural oils so closely that it tricks your pores into producing less sebum, while the black seed oil clears out the underlying bacteria. If you have highly sensitive skin or conditions like rosacea, your recipe must prioritize calming the skin barrier. Take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil, add 1 drop of frankincense essential oil, and blend it thoroughly with 1 teaspoon of organic rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in natural vitamin A and helps soothe irritation. For this skin type, always perform a patch test on your inner wrist or jawline for 24 hours before applying it to your entire face. For the step-by-step evening application technique, your method matters just as much as your ingredients. Start with a thorough double cleanse. Ensure your face is entirely free of makeup, heavy sunscreen, and daily pollution. If these oils sit on top of surface dirt, they will trap it inside your pores and cause congestion. Next, remember to always leave your skin slightly damp. Do not towel dry your face completely. When you apply this oil blend to a damp face, it traps that surface hydration and forces it into the skin, creating a perfect balanced lipid barrier.
Finally, use what professionals call the press and roll method. Dispense 3 to 4 drops of your custom blend onto your fingertips and warm it by rubbing your palms together for a few seconds. Press your palms firmly against your cheeks, then your forehead, and down your jawline. Do not rub or pull aggressively at your skin. Roll your fingers upward and outward toward your ears to stimulate lymphatic drainage and reduce facial puffiness. We must also talk about sourcing, because the natural oil industry is absolutely rife with adulterations, dilutions, and outright fraud. If you buy cheap synthetic versions of these oils from random online marketplaces, you will introduce harmful petrochemicals and synthetic artificial fragrances directly to your face. This will cause the exact breakouts, inflammation, and rapid aging you were trying to fix. When you are shopping for black seed oil, you must look for 2 specific terms on the label: cold-pressed and hexane-free. This gives you a guarantee that the oil was extracted purely by mechanical pressure without high heat or toxic chemical solvents that destroy the delicate thymoquinone. Additionally, ensure it comes in dark amber glass packaging. Never buy black seed oil sold in a clear plastic bottle, because ambient light causes the active compounds to degrade rapidly, leaving the oil completely useless. When you are shopping for frankincense oil, you must verify that it is labeled as 100% pure essential oil. Avoid any bottles that say fragrance oil, comforting oil, or perfume oil, as these are synthetic chemicals made in a lab. You must also flip the bottle over and look for the precise botanical name. The label must explicitly state either Boswellia carteri, Boswellia serrata, or Boswellia frererana. If it simply says the word frankincense, it is highly likely a cheap synthetic imitation or heavily diluted with low-grade mineral oil.
Let's establish an honest, realistic clinical timeline for your results. This is not a synthetic cosmetic filter that washes off in the sink. It is a profound biological modification of your skin tissue, and that takes time. From days 1 to 7, you will notice an immediate, dramatic improvement in skin hydration and a noticeable reduction in active redness, inflammation, or swelling from current breakouts. Your skin will look rested. By weeks 3 to 4, stubborn dark spots and post-acne marks will begin to visibly fade as your skin completes its natural 28-day cellular turnover cycle, casting off damaged cells. By week 6 to 8 of daily use, deep structural lines around the eyes and mouth will appear significantly softer and shallower as new collagen synthesis finally reaches the surface layers of the epidermis. Consistency is your only path to success with natural chemistry. Skipping multiple days in a row or mixing random synthetic products into this evening protocol will disrupt your skin's pH balance and stall your progress. Commit to the routine, protect your skin from excess sun exposure, and let the science work.
I want to hear from you. Have you ever experimented with either of these ancient oils on your skin before? Or have you been stuck in the loop of buying expensive commercial creams? Drop your personal experiences or your questions in the comments down below. Click the like button if this video gave you a completely new, evidence-based outlook on natural anti-aging. And remember to subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense health strategies. Thank you so much for watching tonight, and I will see you in the very next video.